Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to Miniminter channel analytics. Miniminter has uploaded 1,716 videos. He now has 9.27 million subscribers with a total view of 3,330,053,722 views. He's from Great Britain, and his channel type is games. He created his channel since February 17, 2008. The grade he got is B+, and his social blade ranking is at 12,396th. The subscriber ranking is 968th, and then video view rank is 993rd. He ranked at 49th in Great Britain and 90th in games. Next, the daily subs for Miniminter is around 1.66k with a daily view of 492,860. Now let's talk about how much money is he making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 493,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $1,960. Then, monthly income will be $58,800. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $32,340 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $388,080. That is how much Miniminter table earns from YouTube.